Hello. Welcome to Story Time. I'm Mark, and this is Joey, Kiya, and Fergus. And we are going to read you a story. I really like your gumboots, Kiya. I wish I had a pair. Oh, I can wear these ones. Thank you. They fit. Oh, so cool. There, ready for the story. Today's book is called Thank You, Rain. Here's some birds enjoying the rain. The story goes like this. Look, the sky is changing. Rain is coming in. The clouds are turning grey. Here comes the rain. Fergus loves the rain. Don't you, Fergus? Pitter-patter. Raindrops are falling on treetops. Those are some big raindrops. Birds are singing in the rain. Splish splosh, raindrops are wetting dry earth. Ooh, can you see the goanna? There he is. Wildflowers are blooming in the rain. Oh, Kiya loves wildflowers, don't you, Kiya? Drip, drop. Raindrops are making muddy puddles. Oh, look, Fergus. There's a frog playing in the rain. Do you like to play in the rain too? Maybe you like to jump in muddy puddles with your gumboots. Kangaroos are playing in the rain. There are the kangaroos, bouncing along. Boing, boing. Joey loves to bounce too. Don't you, Joey? Plink, plonk. Raindrops are filling creek beds. Animals are drinking in the rain. Here they all are, having a big drink of water. Look, the sky is changing. A rainbow is coming in. Wow, the sky is clearing up and we can see the rainbow. Have you ever seen a rainbow? I am dancing with happiness. Thank you, rain. Everyone is dancing together under the rainbow. And that's the end of the story. Rain is so important for country. I think Kiya, Joey, and Fergus are excited to go find some puddles to splash in. Oh, I can come too? Oh, that's awesome. Well, it's time for us to go now. It's bye from Joey, Kiya, and Fergus. And bye from me. Bye. Let's go jumping in the rain. Boing, boing.